Hello everyone, welcome to the last tutorial for your third module. Today we're going to do something different, which is a multi-tenant application. By multi-tenant, we mean something which is pretty, which uses both the applications at the same time. Okay, so let's get into it. So we have the multi-tenant application set up, which will be first, we'll use the keyword spotting application, which will do and spot a particular keyword, and based on that keyword we'll do another camera detection algorithm, and it's going to be like both the models are going to be on the device. So that's a special thing of multi-tenant. So you can use multiple sensors at the same, like not at the same time, but one after the other, and do complex application stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. So we're going to go to the Arduino IDE. We're going to go to File, Examples, TinyML 360, and open the multi-tenant sketch. Once we have that, we look at the sketch, and it has like literally all the files from the keyword application, keyword spotting sketch, and the person detection sketch. And if you look closely, we have both the models here. This is the micro features model, which is a keyword spotting model for yes and no. And then we have the person detection model, which is like to detect person. So we've done both of these separately, and we're going to see how to run both of them in the same time. So once we've deployed it, we can go to serial monitor. Okay, we can go to serial monitor. And yeah, so the first part of this is to make it hear something. So you're going to say yes. And you see that there's a blue LED that shines, and it says, so the camera, the way that this is set up is that it clicks a picture only and only when it detects a yes. And then it takes a picture and then, does the whole person detection thing. So that's the only complicated part of it. So we can do a yes, yes. And you see that the person detection score is like a little bit better because, yeah, I pointed the camera towards me. Okay, so yeah, this is the multi-tenant model. We've talked about the whole code individually. The very basic thing that is different here is that we do the same, like we define micro interpreters and micro error reporters individually for both the models. We take in a big tensor arena to compensate for the both the models to be fitted in, and then we have a different variety of operators that we need to have. So operators from both the models, which is the TinyConf model and the person detection model, needs to be in these Arduino sketch for the hardware to run on. So we build an interpreter for the visual workload model, and then we pass it as the input and the output, and then the entire thing is done. So the way it works is that it first runs the KWS model. Let me go to the while loop. Yeah. Yeah. So only when it hears yes as the command that we say, then only this particular visual wake thing, not the visual wake, the person detection thing is going to work out. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole concept behind this. Everything else would be a combination of the keyword spotting model and the person detection model. And we just use a slight hack and some optimization techniques, which is like finding out the right tensor arena size and, keeping all the operators in place to design this whole multi-tenant model. You'll see a lot of these multi-tenant models in the real world. There's like and mobile phones and all of these big memory hardware devices tend to use multiple sensors to validate and better perform for a particular application. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you.